If you want to elevate your space with luxury wall designs, you don't need to be a professional artist. Today, we're going to show you step by step how to create this stunning, textured lion crest using Sita 8 decorative paint. The secret to a flawless design starts with the prep. First, secure your custom stencil tightly against the surface using a high-quality painter's tape. You want to make sure there are no gaps where the material could bleed through. Sita 8 is incredibly forgiving, but a tight stencil guarantees those sharp lines. Now for the satisfying part. We're taking our Sita 8 decorative paint and applying it directly over the stencil. Notice how we use a dabbing motion first to push the material into the fine details of the lion's mane and crown. Once the area is covered, gently glide your trowel over the surface to level it out. Sita 8's unique formula gives you plenty of working time, so there is no need to rush. Once your Sita 8 layer has set, it's time for the reveal. Carefully lift the stencil away from the wall. Look at how crisp those edges are. Next, we remove our border tape. Peeling away the tape reveals the seamless contrast between the base wall and our new, eco-friendly textured art. The final result is a beautiful, seamless piece of textured wall art. If you want to create this exact look in your own home, head over to silkplaster.com to order a sample of Sita 8 decorative paint from our shop. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more DIY wall art tutorials, and check the link in the description to get started today.